Hello there. Today, let us see how to create our own dynamic DNS like no IP, right? Where you can use your cable modem or broadband dynamic IP, I mean external IP, internet facing IP. You can track it and associate any of your domain so that whenever IP changes, the domain DNS also updates. So always you can point your system with the dynamic IP with fixed domain name. So for this we need first GoDaddy. Why? Because I am familiar with this, and GoDaddy is my or the hosting and as well as domain provider since many years. There is no referral kind of thing here. I am comfortable with them, and they will provide the APIs where remotely you can manipulate your domain DNS zones. So you can script them using normal shell script or Windows PowerShell script. You can manipulate the DNS zone files remotely with pair of key and secret. That's why I'm preferring this. If your domain provider gives a way to manage your domains remotely, then well and good. You can use any domain provider. Okay, for now, I'm assuming you have a domain with GoDaddy. And one more, the source of my thing. This is the script. I will provide the link and I should honorable mention this script. See, this is the main article where I got this. This also I will provide the link from here. Actually, it's a PowerShell script which updates your domain with your current allocated IP address. But one of the person added comment here with one moment. Sorry. What is that? Yeah, subdomain. See, this is the person. You given this excellent solution where I can update my subdomains with current dynamic IP of my broadband or internet provider. The beauty of this script is it won't change your main IP, it will change only subdomains, which is the preferred way of updating the thing, updating the DNS. Because my main IP is goes to our site Linux SME, and whatever subdomain this points to my cable modem and my another dynamic IP kind of stuff. So the beautiful script he openly provided here from the paste bin link. This is the link. See, and I will give you this link in below. So just freely copy it, and you need to generate this secret pair which was mentioned in the article. Very easy, single click. If you click on that one, GoDaddy will redirect you to API key generation page where you can get your key and secret. Next part, you install any Ubuntu or something. Say suppose now I installed a Ubuntu machine and I SSH to that box. Sorry. Okay. See, I created one file. I copy paste here. ip.sh is the file thing, and I added a cron job, cron tab -l. Okay, Okay, password. See, so every 30 minutes my cron job will run this script, and the script itself updates the current dynamic IP allocated to GoDaddy DNS servers with the help of KeyPair as an API call. Okay, well, this way you can run it, and can run it this VM. You can create a VM with 512 MB RAM or something which is less memory consumption, and run this script. Run in headless mode in VMware workstation. That's it. Bingo. Hope you like this. I know, very tiny, small video, but it helps a lot. Okay, and please do comment on this. This is, I'm telling you, it's not at all my work. Just I gathered the information from the internet, and I am sharing to you in case if someone get benefited from this. Thank you. Bye.